Guys, welcome back to channel. So because of lockdown I'm not going anywhere outside, so I got one bobo holder. How to fit bobo holder in a home, I'll show you right now. Okay, let's go. This is the bike, the new Java 42 bs6 model. So here we got a bobo holder. This is wireless one, with a 15-watt fast charger. Let's open. Okay, this is the warranty card and the mounts and one Allen key and your main device holder, and this is the extra clamp. If you have any further handle works, so you can adjust in that, and one extra fuse. We will fit this over here and I'll show you the all procedure and all. We have to get this clamp first and this Allen key. Okay guys, let's fit. This is the clamp and the Allen key. We have to remove this. Touch karo, focus karo. These are the spacers, comes inside this like this, and we have to make a space for that. Like this it will fit. Clamp is mounted. You have to do medium tight, not full tight. Okay. Now this is the main part. You have to remove this. First this, then you have to push it inside like this. Once that done, thread it properly. It's done now. So here are the connections. It is very simple. You can insert into battery also, but we are going to give to ignition. So now I will open these two screws for the installation purpose. Okay. We have to remove. After that it will come like this, and we have to remove this socket. Just plug it out. Now headlight section is outside. So after that we have to get wires like this inside, and extra wire we have to cut. We have to cut this. We don't use these things. Just cut it out. And remember, fuse section is a positive. Okay. Now slice it out. So in this you can see here this red and black. This plus one comes in the red one. Okay, and the rest one more black, one more black comes in headlight black. Okay, that's it, headlight socket black. After that we'll get the headlight. Okay, so now just plug like this, plug it properly. need to push it. Installation done now. For the testing now, we'll keep okay, one switch will come downside on it. Yeah, this is charging the wireless fast charger, 50-watt wireless fast charger. The switch you can see here, this is the switch, off, on. Yeah, this is charging now. Just off once. Okay. That's it, so simple. That all extra wire will go inside. Under free range. That's it. Now the two screw 4 Allen keys, just tight it. Now this also all tighted. Just take a tag, wire tag, place it properly, and just tie it. Don't tie with clutch cable, just tie with these things, cluster thing. Then next try we will cut it. Done. Okay, now we will test the phone, it's charging or not. Okay, you can see here, if you don't know it's on or off, you can see indication light here, blue color. On this side switch, just off. This is off now, then on now. Okay, so hope you like the video. Just if you don't know how to fix a phone holder and all, share with your friends. Do like, subscribe, and do follow on Instagram also. I will give link in the description down below. Okay guys, take care, stay tuned.